I'm trying to log in on TikTok as well, but I don't know if it's gonna work. What's up, everyone? You know who it is. We're doing an early stream today. Actually, we're gonna look for some trading setups, but let me have a look if I can actually log into TikTok as well, because I think I'm doing a dual stream here. So first of all, let me know if it's lagging or anything like that, because we need to figure that out. Why do I need to log in? Like, hold on. I'll take this out like this. I should be logged in, like... Let me actually check my TikTok right now. What's up, you guys? Good morning, everyone. Now, the question is, am I live? Am I not live on TikTok? What a jam. I don't think I am, honestly, but you know what? Hold on. How do you... No, I don't want to find friends. I want to, like, log in. Account. I don't know how to do that. How do you log in on TikTok? What's TikTok? Adrian is like always coming up with the silliest stuff to say, I swear to God. Last time he almost tricked me he was a girl. I don't know. I don't know. Just delete it. Delete what? No, I mean, I'm not in it, so I don't think it's an issue at all. Let me... Nah, dude, not the email. Hold on, let's just do that. Send code. Maybe it's gonna work, I don't know. I kind of want to try it. Maximum attempt reached. I didn't even put a six-digit code, and it's already telling me that I've put maximum amounts of attempts, which is ridiculous. So I'm just not gonna bother with it. You know, maybe we're live, maybe not. Like, I genuinely have no idea what's happening. All right, cool. Let me just close this, and I'm not gonna care about it anymore. What's up, Ken Rocher? Hello, everyone. All right, cool. I use Google. Oh, so I need to check for Nikki. I'm gonna check for her situation. Let's look at this. This was so annoying, honestly. Like, me, Dottie, and Joel earlier in the forex chat, like literally, I don't know, not so long ago. Dottie was long. I caught the short literally from like up here. I was short like literally here. No, I was short a little bit lower. Definitely I was short a little bit lower. Where was I short? I don't even remember. It doesn't matter. It was a sniper short which I failed miserably. Was it here? Yes, I was short here, I think. Yeah, exactly here. This is where I was short. And I closed like here. Like, it was a very tiny scalp that I took, like literally on the 1 minute. And I was in with a good size, so you know, I didn't want to risk a lot, so I went short literally here. Actually, at the top, my stop loss was just above here, and I caught this tiny move here. That's what I did. And it was actually crazy because had I held a little bit long with a higher stop loss, I would have like banked so good on this move. But anyways, that's behind us right now. So we're gonna see what's happening right now in the current situation. But this was the liquidity that I was looking at earlier down here. So this is where potentially we're going right now for gold. We had some news come in, which was basically unemployment claims 206 versus expectations higher. Forecast was higher than what we got. Then we had the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index higher. You know, all of this is actually not bad news. Like, all in all, that's good news, right? Because it's going to be positive for the dollar. Like, it means that the economy is expanding, basically. Like, it doesn't work for us traders that well because this is going to trigger the dollar. You know, so what happens is on news like that, this is what happens to dollar. And that's not good for us. It's not good for crypto. It's not good for... hi, sweetheart. Please don't ruin the stream today. How? Okay. She will do it. And that's it. We accept you. No, I think my stream actually glitched and you couldn't see her. I wonder if it's glitching because we're live on TikTok. I don't think we are, but whatever. Anyways, make sure to like this video. If you haven't already, I'm gonna like try and see how many likes we have over here. Oh, that's good. 17 watching, 12 likes. We need 5 more likes actually. Oh my god, we have a new person here. At the bar sober. Someone is at the bar sober. Hello at the bar sober. Welcome. So lovely to see new people here. I encourage everyone that's new here, say hi in the chat box because it's pretty awesome to see you guys there. But let's have a look. So the US dollar is exploding. That's why the market is dumping. US oil is on the way up today. Once again, not good, chats. But look at that. This is a potential short actually from here right now. This is on the 4-hour time frame. Hold on, let's check the sweeps. The sweeps are probably currently executing, so still need a confirmation actually to take this short. You can't take it right now, but if it starts fading from here, it's going to be a good sign, I think. Urine oil, sorry mate. Like literally sorry mate. What are you long? I try to stay away from oil a little bit because it's very sensitive to what's happening right now, but some people find that easy to trade. There were some, you know, signs, you know, this formation here with the liquidity indicators. Oh, you're just holding. Okay, cool. Ken Rocher is like, why don't you have 1,000 subscribers, Gabby? You give such good information. I know, mate. I don't know, because people just want to watch retards. I don't know. Anyways, okay. Do not break my stuff. Missy. Jesus Christ, she's so cracked. Anyways. Yeah, I'll just try to stay away from oil as much as possible, but honestly, you know, if we manage to beat 63, which we pretty much are at the moment, we have a little bit more levels, but this has potential to run like crazy. Levels that we haven't seen in quite a while, if that happens, honestly. I would not like to see it because that is going to mean that inflation is very strong, right? Huge indicator for that. Look at what gold is doing, actually crazy. This is the 1-hour time frame liquidity I was eyeing at. We're opening the next 15 minutes in like 5 minutes. Let's see where we're reacting from. You know, it is in a sort of like the base of this leg that we're reacting from. I can see why we're getting a reaction. Also some liquidity. Let's see, maybe we can get involved in some longs here. I don't like the liquidity down. Let's have a look. Let's test the new indicators actually. And see what happens here. Which quarter are we in? Currently 9:30. Yeah, I think you potentially want to be long here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Are the indicators going to load? I don't see them that well with the current settings though. But that's fine anyways. This is Q2. We manipulate. We send it lower. Yeah, that was That was potentially a good long from here, actually, not gonna lie. That's fine though. I decided to start streaming, so it's okay. I mean, probably I would have been paying more attention. No, I don't need that. I need my volume sessions just to know where I am. Silver was also good, like we spoke earlier, and also, oh, you're holding an oil ETF that's 3x leverage. Amazing. Which one? ETFs are great. Did anyone caught the short for silver? You guys, honestly, I'll be so pissed. Okay, UCO. I'll check it in a second, but I'll be so pissed if you guys are not catching the shorts from our levels, because I mean, what more can you ask from me as a trader that's trying to help you out? You guys, honestly, look at the 15, that's 30-minute liquidity. I'm getting Instagram stuff. No, I'm not live on Instagram. So this is your liquidity here on the 30-minute time frame. You snap the liquidity into the London session. You have the resistance, where you have the level as 79.124 short. And this, like, oh my, did you see her jumping? It's crazy. Anyways, so let's have a look. Very good move, honestly. Like, it could have been really, really nice to take. I personally didn't. I was looking at the gold short, but whatever. They kind of move the same, so not a bad thing at all. This is also pretty cool. If you are using the liquidity indicators, you need to know this, right? When you have double liquidity, if you stretch through it like that with a lot of strength, you're sort of not looking for the top to get sniped immediately. If you see price holding at the double liquidity bottom, then maybe, but if it doesn't hold it, then this is usually an area of, you know, resistance where you can take further shorts from. And that is valid for literally every time frame. So pretty awesome stuff. Amazing stuff. Look at that bottom formation, usually a good buy signal, right? On any time frame, even on the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame today, it was looking. Is that gold? Where was it? Oh yeah. Look at these formations. Same thing for, you know, for the bottom, for the top formation. Sorry, over here. Weak lows. And price just, you know, uses this as resistance. Whatever happens on the higher time frames happens on the lower time frames as well, which is what I really like. Yep, I can safely say that this long was generational, and I missed it because I decided to start streaming. It's fine, whatever, it's okay. But yeah, essentially with the size I was in for the short here, if I had held it easily, like, would have called it a day, would have been pretty awesome. Hi Tony, how are you? So lovely to see you guys here. What do you guys think of this timing of streaming, like actually during New York session? What do you guys think of that? I think it's pretty cool. Maybe if we start a little bit earlier, just before market open, so we can catch the trades together, instead of like coming for the PM of the New York session. Do you guys prefer that? It's only 1:40 a.m. in Australia instead of 4:05 a.m. Oh, dude, that's a huge shout. Okay, good. Because I have no idea what time is it in Australia, to be honest. The only reason I'm doing that is because I would like to go for dinner with family that are visiting right now. You know? Yeah, early. I like this timing. Okay, you guys, let me know. I don't want to start a poll because genuinely I have to sign in or something. Yeah, this time is perfect for New York. Maybe 30 minutes before analysis. 1 hour earlier. Okay, an hour earlier from now, like around. Okay, I get it. Like an hour earlier from now. Yeah, so like basically we start for, let's say the news drop, right? Around 8:30 a.m. New York time. We can do that, you know, instead of starting post lunch New York time. Yeah, we can totally do that. And that's going to help me as well. It's not going to be like that of a weird time, and maybe we can catch some trades together instead of like me doing a gazillion things at the same time. I don't even want to look at Bitcoin. Hold on, let me see. Oh, are you kidding me right now? So anyways, the Ethereum long, is my liquidity on over here? Yeah, so I closed the ETH long because I was long here, and then this happened, and then we had a move up, and I closed it for like a little bit of loss, but I don't care. Like, it's fine. People will be at work. Well, we gotta, you know, we gotta be online at some point, right? For the session. So there is no other way. Like in the morning, I'm doing the video, like the pre-market update for London, and I'm missing so much of the London time because I'm also like, I don't want to say I'm lazy, but I don't want to kind of get up at like really weird times, do research. Because like currently what I'm doing, I'm literally waking up. I don't know what's happening. Like I don't know if I'm awake or half asleep, and what time is it? Like I have no idea. And then I have to go and speak to these thumbnail people, and I have to tell them, hey, like, this is the idea for today, and make the thumbnail. This is what I'm going to be talking about. And then I have to do the research, or I have to do the research before, and then I have to record the video. Then I have to edit it. And by the time I'm like, my eyes are bleeding. And now I have to start trading for the London session. Like, it's crazy, you know? And then when I finish, I'm kind of starving. Then I want to eat something, then I eat something, then I kind of want to fall asleep, but I want to be on Discord, I want to be on the charts. It's just impossible, honestly. So crazy. All right, let's monitor silver over here. Let's go on a 1 minute. The chop is not pretty. The chop is not pretty. I feel the plot. Okay. Crypto Love also likes the timing. She is texting for some reason on Discord. Why are you, Crypto Love, not texting in the chat box on YouTube? Please do that because it's gonna make more people see us, etc. Which is pretty awesome. Yep, we missed that long, we did. But look at the silver long. It was not that good. I wouldn't have taken this. This long would have not been of focus for me at all. So that's why you have to constantly monitor silver and gold. Which one is going to give the better setup? Damn, I missed this so bad. Just above also Asia low. Didn't snipe it. Let's have a look. Let's try to determine if we have some sort of higher time frame range that we can refer to at the moment. 15-minute, 4-hour. See, this is really difficult. This is what I was trying to talk about earlier on the pre-market update. Higher time frame 0.5 is like literally a killer. Like you would be damned if you long, you would be damned if you short. Like it's literally the equilibrium. They're trying to decide the direction. So once we exit out of this range with a little bit more understanding, I think it's going to be crucial for our overall direction. For now, it's just if you can scalp it, you can scalp it. Does anyone have TikTok here? Can you go and check if I'm live on TikTok or something? I don't think I am, but look at this V-shaped recovery here. I mean, the one thing that's good is that you're breaking. So this low is kind of now strong at the moment, at least on the 5-minute. Yeah, definitely. You took liquidity. Am I logged in my MetaTrader? Yes, I am. Good, because I want to track all that. My algo trading is switched off. That's good, because if I start spamming now, I'll probably get in some positions unknowingly. This is probably a continuation buy here, actually. Yep. Yep. Because look at that demand over here. It's pretty clean. 15 seconds. Not bad. Should have spammed some buys here immediately. Yep. That was it right here. Literally right here. You have a sort of like a very tight stop loss. You can put it below the wick, but that's it. And then you just scalp it for a little bit. But we're gonna do the 1 minute scalps, I think, on Discord. Because that's crazy, actually. It's a real skill to have. If you can just come in and, you know, spam orders, get some cash like within seconds and just disappear, you know? It's very good. Let's quickly look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq's not looking good at the moment. I don't like it. I mean, look at that. This is what usually happens, right? This is what we teach in the RTM model theory. You guys make sure to come in the chat, not in the chat. Oh, by the way, we have how many likes? I don't know. We need 26 likes at least. But anyways, I've also added super chats, you guys. So if you want to super chat me during the stream, you can use that link with live requests and you can tip me, and in there you can send a message and it's gonna come up on the screen for everyone to see. By the way, this is the Discord links and you can get VIP super easily. The instructions are there. Range model theory is down there. I should probably move it a little bit up. Oh dude, we're entering a very interesting level again on gold. Let's watch it real quick. I'm gonna get on it. Hold on. Algo trading. Hold on. Let me check my phone. Did I manage to enter? MT5 trade. Am I in? Dude, I'm not in. What the whatever. Screw the desktop. MT5 today is not working well. What we're gonna do, actually good that I didn't enter yet. Because it's sending. Nope, sending. Oh god, thank you. I'm just gonna monitor it real quick over here because this is an area of interest. Up here we have a locked buyer, so we want to see how price is reacting. Let me remove the indicators. This here. Let's see. Trade. Hold on, let me... So USD... Not yet, but I need to have it ready just in case I wanna... Not yet. We're watching. Sending right now. Sending. Gonna need a little bit more confirmation than this right now. Nothing's happening actually. There's 0 of it. Respecting demand. This is just like it's going now. Was the time 4 minutes to the new 15-minute candle? Yeah, because we have 4 more minutes. So 4 more minutes. I would like it to come actually a little bit higher. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit higher. But let's see. Let's see. Hold on. I have it all preset here. I just need to press the button. Let's have a look. This is the last time. Okay, so this area is clearly invalidated on the 1 minute. We can delete it. And we can move to higher time frame areas, which is gonna be here. 1 minute. All right, good. I'm in. Not big size though. Just 0.1. Let's see how it reacts actually. Yay, lose it, lose it, lose it. Yes. So 500 because I entered on market, so I'm a little bit lower, but that's fine. That's okay. Let's see. This is gonna be just a short one. My stop loss is gonna be right above here. I have to... This is why I don't like being on the phone doing this, because I have to monitor, you know? We need to watch the 15 seconds for this. Lose it, lose it, lose it. Top of the morning. Good morning. Broadcom services. All right, good. Come on, push it, push it, push it, push it, push. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Come on, a little bit more. Give a little bit more. Give a little bit more. I don't want to close partials because I'm only in for like 0.1. So what's the point? Like I'm literally in profit like $50 by now. $40, $50. This is the thing with these kind of scalps. I'm gonna close here. With these kind of scalps, you have to enter with size. Like there is no... See what happens. I'm so glad I closed. Good, good. Not bad, not bad. This was a good catch. But now it could just like, oh my god, this would have been... Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Because look at that lick. Because it's like literally we opened the 1 hour candle right now. It's fine, it's fine. It's fine, everyone. Like this video right now. It was not a bad trade though. I'm just gonna be pissed off if it just runs down. Well, yeah, I should be pissed off. Whatever. It's the second time this happens today, but it's fine. Let's have a look if we can catch anything else at the moment. Yeah, the reaction is a little too strong at the moment for me. Here, the 503. Let's see the 15 seconds. Yeah, I think this was it. And maybe from here. Yep. Look at this 5-minute candle. Crazy. Yeah, this is it. The new 1 hourly candle opened right now. So we literally sniped the wick of the closing, which is good, not bad. Oh man. Oh man. I didn't even leave a runner. I just closed the whole thing. Gabby, Gabby, Gabby. It's fine though. 7:02 or whatever the time frame is. Look at this dodge on the 5. Nuts. Yeah, if you look at the 10 minutes, you actually broke. You actually broke and you're respecting right now down here, this area. So this is probably about to get wrecked right now as well. So tell me, guys, what are you trading? I wonder where Joel is right now. Nasdaq on the 4 hourly continues to be long from our 0.236 area over here. Rejected the 0.5 again here at resistance. How do you long this from here? You know, it's very sus. Very sus. Same thing for Dow Jones. Pretty much same story for S&P 500. I vote for this time frame too. You guys, it's actually good evening, Thumb Designs. Hi. It's actually crazy because every time I do a new timing, everyone's like, "Oh my god, I vote for this timing. I vote for this." So I don't know what to do. But I prefer this timing as well, by the way. I think it's better. I think it's better for the purpose of you know, just trading together. I think this would be actually an interesting area here to track. Yes, everyone, hit the like button. Mind Tapestry, hello. Mind Tapestry, do you also vote for this time? Because I'm sick of changing the stream times. I mean, it's not a big deal, but I think it's better if it's not that late into the New York session, so we can just together look at everything. Is anyone going to ever tip me for the first time? Do it, you guys. Here, you have the super chat option down here. Who is going to make history? All right, great. During the lunch hour. Love it. So we can hang out during the lunch hour. DAX is down nastily today. Still bullish leg though. Euro USD is dumping a little bit. 1.19. I think this is actually not a bad area for long on Euro USD. Oof. This was very balanced. Yeah, that's bullish. What a nice catch that would have been. God. Here it is, 1 minute formations. At an area of interest on the 4-hour time frame. What more do you want? Lots of opportunities in this market. Like, it's just not even funny. You just have to be able to snipe them all at the right time. I wonder how's the spread on palladium today. Bullish. 15-minute looks like dog ass. What a chop, dude. That's actually crazy. Same as gold, but different. You know, like different type of chop, but same. So nuts. And that liquidity below, no, I don't want to touch that. Uranium still reacting. Platinum. I still can't get over our sniper short on platinum. So nuts. Hard to get an edge here, hard to get an edge here. Do we have to adjust this? Yes, potentially. Oh, because that's done its course now. Yeah. Long term as well, I'm bullish on it. Big time. Higher time frame. Still have a target, 125. The buy was down here at the 0.236. Oh. CVNA calls them out short if hits 360. I'm not tracking this one, to be fair. Let's have a look. Not bad at all. Let's look at the... Oh, look at that support on the 4-hour. Not bad. Yeah, not a bad call. Very good area for a scalp. Let's look at weekly, long term to see what's happening. Is that a reverse cup and handle or something? Or is that the cup and handle? Because that would be crazy. Yes, everyone, hit the like button. You want to short it at 360? Yeah, I mean, it would make sense because that's the exact buy you did. So for your strategy, if you're looking to do the same thing, it would make the most sense in the world. At least to feel a little bit of that, you know? At least that. That'll be great. 5 diamond, cheers. Hello. Oh, you're the same guy, sorry. Sometimes I'm not tracking. Yeah, good job, good job. We can see a little bit more now before we catch the shorts here. Let's see, gold is, Jesus Christ, aren't we like the best? I'm telling you guys. So good. Look at that short. Very choppy, but you know what I mean? It was there. Like, you can't say no to that. Let's look at what's happening with Bitcoin. Actually, I'm kind of interested. Oh, Jesus. How can it be so bad? Nobody wants to look at crypto right now. Like, people in my Discord, like Nikki was telling me that all the channels are like dying and stuff like that. I must say, honestly, like, I haven't had this low of a views. I didn't even have like, the views were better when I started the channel like a year ago. Do you know what I mean? Makes zero sense. So annoying. Because it takes like so much work. And I'm a big complainer as well. So it's a bear market. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. Everyone I know hates crypto at the moment. I mean, is there a reason why we should like crypto at this point? Like, give me one reason. Didn't they have like an event, World Liberty Finance or something like that? Everyone was taking like all these meme guys, orangey, stuff like that. They were taking pictures with CZ. I was like, dude, like, what the hell? Anyway, happy days. So bearish. Look at that. Terrible. You can't even come up and retest true week open. I couldn't even take profits on that trade. It's disgusting. I'm still long from like here, 64. I'm glad I took some profits at true month open because this would have been like disastrous. Like, it's just, and then the second opportunities from here, from 0.786, this is obviously higher time frame, but I was waiting for at least 68.6 and I didn't get it. Sorry, 68.5 and I didn't get it. What's the point? Bear markets, great opportunities to find great entries long-term. Love you, Gabby. Oh, thank you so much. I'm at least a perfect time to improve strategies on crypto. I agree. I mean, I think my strategy on crypto is pretty fine. The only thing that I would love to have done better this time, it was, like I said, like yesterday in the live stream, my biggest regret is because we had the levels, right? We had the levels at 125 and 150. I was so stuck up that we're gonna get like the highest extensions at around 150. And I wanted for price to hold here because this was literally the level. This was it, you know? But it didn't happen. It didn't happen. And I closed profits too early, which was really annoying. Wow, we have a person from Chile. Greetings. I always wanted to go to Chile. I played this game, which is really cool. You can play it on an iPad. I forgot the name of the game. What was it? GeoGuessr. Oh my god, you guys, you should try it. It's called GeoGuessr. It's so cool. So with GeoGuessr, they're showing you pictures of cities and you have to guess which city that is or which country that is. And they showed a picture from Chile and I was like, oh my god, this looks so cool. Like from the city, from the capital, which of course I forgot what it is. But I was like, what's the capital of Chile? Santiago. Yes, sorry, I needed help from backstage. Santiago. So, which was really beautiful, and I liked it so much. And I thought it kind of reminds me a little bit of like a weird mix between Europe and something I've never seen before. Yeah, Santiago de Chile, yeah. Whenever you want to visit, I'll give you tips on how to get around in exchange for what you teach us so well about trading. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. Thank you. I don't think I ever met anyone from Chile. Maybe one time, one girl that was looking so strange. Like, she was so beautiful, but in a weird way. She had like a very nice tan. I was like, where are you from? She said Chile. I was like, that's crazy. Anyways, I love it when we have international people. Everyone, make sure to come in the description box. Okay, not here, but here. And you can click join Discord, join the community. I would love to have new people that are finding whatever we do here valuable. Absolutely love that. Let's see lower time frame what happened to this. Not a bad idea overall, honestly. Even though it's super choppy for what we are right now, and we're pretty deep into the sesh, I feel. Yeah, 10 o'clock. That's in between like 9 and 10:30. You get what you get. But it's still very choppy. Oh my god. I have a feeling this short is going to be so good. I don't know. Let's see. Demand is kind of supporting right now. It's kind of supporting. So yeah, everyone, make sure to like the video. Make sure to join the free Discord. Getting your VIP role is so easy. So easy. All you need is sign up with either Bluffin or Bitunix. In my description box, all the links, and it's also on Discord. Yeah, it seems like we're gonna lose 5,000 right now. This is gonna be crazy if it happens. Look at that. You round trip like literally the whole beginning of London. This is the sessions that we use. So it's a little bit of a different times. But you round trip the whole thing. And New York just sweeping liquidity and can't even push itself up. Very strange. Respecting demand, respecting supply. What are you doing, dude? Like, what are we doing right now? Yeah, that would have been probably a long here. Yeah, to chase at least that liquidity up here. We're gonna wait a little bit. See what happens. So it's a huge chop. We're looking at, you know, very low time frames at the moment. This was the move down here. Like, if we have to be honest, this was the move. Soon as we started the stream, we saw the sweep down here in an area of interest. And this was the major move. This was the major move, and this was the major move. So earlier I called this, and then I saw this, and see what we're scalping. Like, nothing. It's so not worth it. You either catch the move or you don't, right? If you catch the move, happy days. If you don't, like, don't stress about it too much. Do you know what I mean? Because there's opportunities every day. Dun 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 dun. Financials not participating today. Not good. Not good. More declines versus advance issues today. Technology is down, almost flat. Real estate, utilities up, defensives, energy. Is everyone worried about inflation? Like, what are we doing now? I don't like it when I get notifications on my phone from Bluffin, because I know it's probably something like a Bitcoin dropped below 66k or something like that. It's so depressing. Maybe I should switch them off. I don't know. $4,991, should I hold for exit? So we're not supposed to, like, you know, discuss your trade ideas, but $4,991, so you longed at this area of interest here, which I have marked. You have to watch it, basically how it reacts. For now, it's kind of in between levels, you know, but it's doing well. So you start breaking above here, you're good. Like, you want to break above here, you want to break above here. If you can't break, if you start losing, you know, this low, for example, here, you want to be out. I think, you know, that's what I would do. Like, you can do whatever you want, but for now it's kind of it's fighting well, you know, it's fighting well. 15 seconds, and you have liquidity a little bit above at 508. So what I always like to do is, depending on, you know, my risk, you can either move stop loss to break even. This is what I do usually, or I close a little bit of profit and then, you know, hold the rest, which most of the time I regret, but at least I have some peace of mind and I'm not like freaking out when they see, like, this is not what you want to see. So yeah, this is a generational chop at the moment. Not good. I think 5,000 level is right now really important. So we need to see some involvement a little bit more serious. For now, I mean, you lose it, you recover it, like, what's it gonna be? Extreme chop. So in situations like this, you have to protect. I would like just make sure that I'm not exposed, overexposed, stuff like that. Not unadvised, just something I do on a daily basis. But look at it, it's just sending right now, so you have your areas of resistance at around 5013. $15 seconds. You literally wipe the liquidity on 15 seconds and you just sold. Let's see if you're gonna keep the demand here. That's gonna be important as well to see. Chopping board. Everyone, make sure to like this video. Make sure to comment in the description box and join Discord if you haven't, down here. You guys are welcome. I don't know how many likes we have. Let me refresh to see how many likes we have, actually. You guys are welcome. I do have to do that. We have. Let me refresh. 31. That's really nice. Oh, man. Yep. Chop City. You grabbed your 15 seconds liquidity and you're out, basically. I mean, overall, you're in a nice bullish leg. Overall. with that break here. You're kind of holding it. You have a chance. And it's gold after all, you know? If you catch a good position long, such as like from the bottom down here, what we were looking at the beginning of the stream, you're golden. At this range, like, you don't care. You put your stop loss somewhere here, you're just golden. You like the music? I also kind of like the music, but I'm also a bit sick of it, to be fair. I also don't want to put like some really hardcore techno or something. That's also another thing I don't want to do. But overall, you're having a nice, you know, reversal formation here. Like, you can really send it from here. So it could be actually good. So far, so good. It looks great. Please, please, please. At least up here, like 5013, depending on the size you're in, right? Like if you're in with like 0.01 like nuggets, obviously you can't close partials, so you have to close the entire position because it's already small. So yeah, it's just depends on what size you're trading, right? But a very good catch over here. I just find it a little hard to understand. Besides the previous area of interest, what else did you use to enter at this? On the 15 seconds, I can see it, but on the 1 minute, not really. Good job. Retesting first resistance areas on gold. Good job, Johnson Thiekaek. Very good job. Generational long. Look at this trade. Oh my god. So good. Like, let's say, because we're looking at it literally as it was as the candle was developing. 41 points, not bad. $41. Like literally today with this trade that I had it develop perfectly. How do we catch the long? That's like literally $1,000. Like even with not that much risk, it's insane. Pretty good profits. Lovely. New York session is gonna take care of London high probably right now, or okay, reaching an extreme right now. This was another very quick short scalp over here. Too strong, demand, too strong. I wouldn't have survived that much. I'm glad I didn't take. Send. Timing right now is 10:30. Continuation trade, like really, this is 10:30, and that's where you want to be finished, right? At 10:30. 10:30 is when you want to be like, okay, that's it. 9:30, 10:30. Thank you, markets. See you later. Good job, you guys. Good job today. It was nice. We're gonna do this more often. So I'm gonna check the timings. So we're looking at starting at around like 5:30 or something. This is good. Are we missing a short here? The new 30-minute candle just opened. Let's send it to 6K. They can, but they can also reject it here because it's 1 hourly a week situation a little bit. So let's see. I kind of wanted to short it here a little bit, but not my preferred timing. And I also want to jump out, to be fair. So thank you for being here, you guys. We'll do that. We'll do a little bit earlier into the New York session, so we can watch the trades together. I think that's pretty awesome. I like it a lot. So we're gonna do that more. All right. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to also leave a comment below. That helps a lot. Actually, I don't know if it helps, but I like to think it does. Don't know much about how YouTube works, actually, which is crazy. But thank you so much for being here, you guys. My pleasure. I had a really fun time. Thank you so much. And I guess I'll see you on Discord, right? Make sure to join Discord so we can hang out there. And I'll see you later.